Live, Eye on the Desert from CBS Local 2.
Everybody seems to be glued to their phone, even around family time. Now we have an author, Brad Berger, who's asking readers to unplug from technology with his new book. It's called Unplug and Play, 50 Games That Don't Need Charging. So we dispense with the batteries, we dispense with the charging cord, and you actually get back to spending some time with the people you love.
That's right. That's right.
Brad, welcome to the program. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So you've been working on this for some time, and these are games, do-it-yourself games, you're saying, that you can play with all members of the family.
You can play with anyone, really. I've played these games with people from ages 6 to my 102-year-old grandfather.
And do you divvy them up in the book as to which games are better for which age groups? Or
no, actually, there are 6 chapters. There's a chapter, the first chapter, Matchmaker, which is all about matching your lists with the lists of the other players in the game. So, for example, if I say everybody list 5 of the most popular Olympic sports you can think of, in their opinion, you're going to get a lot of different answers, and the object is to see if you have a pulse on popular opinion or if you're way off. And
I think I would be way off.
And you score based on how well you do in matching with everybody else. And so there's a chapter like that which really triggers a lot of interaction, a lot of topical discussions. I like those games. There's also a chapter that brings out the creativity in people. It's called Call My Bluff, where you're basically trying to write something, go out of the box, come out of your shell a little bit, write something where people would say, "Oh, there's no way Brad wrote that," and those are a lot of fun. My family and friends really enjoy those. Yeah.
When did you start working on this, and what spurred you to do it? Was it this attachment we have to our iPads and phones and tablets?
Not originally. Originally, I play a lot of games and playing games for forever, and so originally I just wanted to come up with a book of 50 games that, again, you could take anywhere, bring out, take to a party, on vacation, holiday, road trips, and adapt to your own group. You know, based on age, game playing ability, interest level. But while we were playing these games with the 200 to 300 people in my 2-year focus group, the one common theme that couldn't be ignored was that nobody was on their phones. Nobody was distracted by their technology while we were playing them. And so hence Unplug and Play came about. And I'll tell you a quick story. My daughter came to me about a month ago and said, "Dad, can I have some friends over to hang out?" And I said, "Sure." Flash forward an hour later, I come downstairs and they're all sitting there, the 6 of them on the couch, doing this. Every once in a while, someone would look up and giggle because somebody texted her from the other side of the room. But I said, "You want to play a game?" And they all said, "Oh yeah," because I know they want to do it. They want to have this experience. And
it's about finding alternatives to that.
Finding alternatives, right. And they had me up till 4 in the morning playing these games, and we had so much fun. But even better than that, I learned more about these kids in those 4 hours than I would have ever learned had I just tried to interject and ask a question from time to time. And yeah.
Well, it's great that you have found a way to kind of put something in between people and technology that gets people talking face to face. Again, your daughter's here along with your mom, Barbara Keller. Glad to have them in the studio, and glad to have you. Where's the book available?
Book is available on Amazon and also on bradbergergames.com on my website. Believe it or not, it's also available in the Kindle version. If
Is that ironic that you unplug on a Kindle?
Can't ignore the technology these days, but yeah.
It'll get you one way or the other. But this is a great way to kind of give yourself a break. I find myself a slave to my phone, so I'm going to pick it up and enjoy it. Thank you for coming on the program.
Thanks so much.